Lolotak. I'm going to show you how to install the Iñupiaq keyboard onto your MacBook. You start by going to languagegeek.com and clicking Mac download. Open it up and it'll be in the downloads. I'm moving it to the desktop just so I can find it easier. Click on the Go menu in the top left corner. Hold down the Option key and you'll see Library pop up. So you'll open that and go to Keyboard Layouts. And the file is already there because I've downloaded this before, but you'll need to make sure that you put the file into that folder. And then I'm going to go to System Preferences, Keyboard. I'm going to open up Input Sources, and then click the plus sign, and click on Others, and I'm going to add the keyboards that I want. And there you go. And you can switch out your keyboards by clicking up in the top right corner and clicking on the keyboard that you want.